American tea South. The American tea is influenced very strongly by international and its position in a word or phrase. There are 5 rules for pronouncing T with different positions. Rule 1. T at the beginning of words or in a chest syllable. 1. It took Tim 10 times to try the telephone. Again, it took Tim 10 times to try the telephone. 3, 2. Stop touching tooth. Stop touching toes. Past tense with ed. Ed is t after an unvoiced consonant sound. Laughed, picked, hoped, raped, watched, ed after unvoiced consonant sound. Have, read, named, raised, gasped. Rule 2. In the middle of words or in an unchanged syllable. Betty, bottle, better, bad. Again. Betty, bottle, better, bad. Next. Put it in a bottle. Again. Put it in a bottle. Rule 3. T at the end of words. Hot, left, fast, goat, hit, hurt, what, not. Rule 4. T before and. 1. She can that. She has run it. Again. She can that. She has run it. 2. The concurrent is not it in the phone. Rule 5. T after and. Inner view, inner net, inner face. Training, pronoun, international. Tongue tight. Betty bought some butter, but says swim. the butter better. If I put it in my butter, it will make my butter bitter. But a bit better butter will make my bitter butter better. So we bought some better butter better than the bitter butter. Put it in a bitter butter makes her bitter butter better. So was better Betty bought some better butter.